Hello, in this video we're going to make a ball toss game. Right, what do we need? Now I think this is quite easy, so we just need some tape, a pencil and some paper. I don't have any really big pieces of paper, so I'm going to take these two A3 pieces and I'm going to tape them together to make a nice big piece of paper. Whatever size paper you have is fine, you can always tape lots together to make a big sheet. There we go, it's taped together. Now I'm going to draw some circles and I'm just going to trace around anything that's circular shape that I have. So I'm drawing around my tape and the inside of the tape. I want lots of different size circles, so I'm picking up lots of different things and tracing around them. Next I'm going to take some colouring pens and I'm going to decorate around the outside of my circles. You can draw whatever you like, I'm just doodling different shapes. Now it's time to cut out the inside of the circles. So I have my scissors and I've made a small hole in the middle and now I'm just cutting around. This is a little tricky, so if you need some help, ask somebody to help you. Start it off by folding it over slightly and then giving it a small nip, and then I can cut out the circle. Each circle is going to be worth a different number of points, so I'm writing the points next to the circle so that when you're playing the game you know how many points you have. You can give them whatever number of points you like. Now I need a ball, so I take a piece of paper, I scrunch it up into a ball, and there we go, we've got a perfect ball. Just right for throwing. Let's see how I can do. What number of points can I get? 50! 200. Then 300. Excellent. Can I get the top one? Let's see. Can I get 1,000? Yes!